Welcome. In front of me is Redmi Note 14s, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot your lock screen password and can't access your device. So the very best option for you would be taking your time and remembering what passwords you had on your phone. Now this might save you a lot of time, and this will surely save you your personal files stored on this device. The other solution for your problem would be contacting the Xiaomi support center, the customer service. If you prove the ownership of this device to them, they will most likely help you recover the access to your device. But if this also didn't work for you, then the only option would be erasing all data from your phone, and you can do this locally, so just access the recovery mode on your phone. If you don't know how to do this, you can check the video on our channel. We already have published it, and if you want to remove all data remotely, you can also do this if there is a Xiaomi or a Google account linked to your phone and you have enabled the Find My Device feature. Then you'll be able to just to enter your either Mi account or your Google account on any other device and just erase all data from your phone remotely. And these are all the options for you to restore the access to your device. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please let us know in the comments. Consider subscribing to our channel if you like this video, and leave us a like, and see you next time.